Welcome. In front of me I have the Garmin Venu SQ2 or Venu, and anyway, today I'll go over unboxing of this watch. So just rip that plastic straight off. So there's our watch. Now we do have a charging cable right here, which does use some proprietary plug. You plug it in right here, and that's about all we have here. So it's the watch and a and a charger. Now I'm not really gonna go over the setup. This was just a simple unboxing, a quick look at how it actually looks. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.